Hoy.
James Wood Life. Hello, James. Hi. Good morning, James. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Tamsak po, Boss Willie from Sir Dada Mix TV. Ano yun? 254 plus 1 Eden Mix Vlog. Thanks, Welly. Thanks, Welly boy. From my love, Eden Mix Vlog. Good evening from England. I know. I know. Good evening from England. It's 11:10 p.m. in England. Here in the Philippines is James, is 6:12 a.m. 6:12 morning. Advance pala yan. Wow, may bisita ka, my love. Oo. Oh, may bisita ka, my love. Jeans will have a guess at what I'm currently wearing. You may be surprised. Ano yun? Magkano po ang tindira nyo? I'm please like. Thank you so much, Sir James. Tamsak Dan, Sir Willie. Dan sa nakapin. Thanks, Lori. Sir Dada, Dana daw si Sis Lori sa'yo. Sir Willie, Dana si Sis Lori sa'yo. Hello, Sis Lori, from My Love Eden Mix Vlog. Magbabay na ako. Sir Willie, hindi na kita ipipin ha, kasi nag-ano naman sila sa iyo eh. Binaba mo na link. Chok. Mag-in na rin ako. Bye. Bye, my love Eden. Lori, Sir Dada, thank you so much, Sir Dada. Ganon, guess what I'm wearing then. Salamat to. Thank you so much, Sir Willie. Thank you din, Mr. Dada. Binali na. Sir Dada, ba't binali mo yung pangalan ni Sisikoy? Bye, Sis Lori from Ma'am Eden Mix Vlog. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much, Sisikoy. Thank you so much sa support mo sa channel ko. Thank you talaga. Maraming salamat. Binali ni Sir Dada ang pangalan ni Sisikoy Guwapa. Sir Dada, ba't binali mo yung pangalan ng Sisikoy ko? Tawa si My Love Eden, no? Thank you so much. May premiere ka mamaya. 12 p.m. premiere mo, Sisikoy Lori. Salamat. Thank you so much. Ate Gima Mix Vlog. Maraming salamat po, Ate Gima.